Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find Backup and Reset option, and let's tap on it. And as you can see, the backup option is off. In order to turn it on, just tap on it and click on the switcher right here. Now let's get back, and as you can see, it immediately changes, and what's more, the backup account option is active. So let's tap on it in order to add a backup account now, and make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, click on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and now let's click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want to read it, simply tap on it, choose the one you want to read, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's click on accept. And as you can see here, we've just added our backup account to this device. And from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.